Hey guys, it's Adri. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's hairstyle is going to be a pull-through braid. Before we get started though, be sure to hit that little subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future hair tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up at the end if you liked it. Let's begin.
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is take a section of hair up by your part, and I like to leave my bangs down, and go ahead and tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then take an alligator clip and pin that section to the other side of your head to get it out of the way. Then take another section beneath it and go ahead and tie that off as well. Release the first section of hair and split it into 2 equal sections, wrapping it around the second section of hair. Then take that second section of hair and pin it to the other side of your head. You're going to take the original section of hair that you split into 2 and add some hair into it from the bottom and the top, and then tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then go ahead and release that second section of hair, split it into 2 equal sections, wrap it behind the third section of hair, pin up the third section of hair on the other side of the head, and then do the same thing. Add in some hair to it and tie it off, and you are just going to keep doing this until you get to the other side of your head. For the back of my head, I ended up just adding hair from the crown of my head instead of from below, because I wanted to make sure I had some covering my neck, that it didn't look too sparse down there. This hairstyle is kind of time intensive, and you need to make sure you have good elastic bands. I've linked them down below, and it also just takes some practice. This is a bit more advanced of a style. Okay, for the last time, you are going to split it into 2 equal sections, pull it around the second section. I added in a little bit of hair from the other side of my hair from the top, and then tied it off with a clear elastic band, and then just tighten it off. So now we're going to pancake the pull-through braid by just pulling at each stitch from the sides and the middle. And when you pancake the middle of the stitch, like more toward the center, that's what's going to cover your elastic band. So I just go through trying to hide my elastic bands, not being too perfect with this. I always think hairstyles look better when they're not perfect. And once you've got it pancaked to your desire, we're going to go to the other side of the head and grab a section of hair, and you're going to twist it toward the back of your head. Then holding the hair with one hand, slide up on it with the other hand and just pull at it and make it a big twist. Then pull it behind your head and cover that last elastic band and pin it into place. I take 2 bobby pins and cross them over each other underneath the braid. And this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I love this hairstyle. I hope you guys liked it too.
Alright, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and leave me a comment below if you tried it. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and it's just a little bit different, so not many people wear this hairstyle. I will see you next time. Bye!